Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Hana, a product developed by Hanabi Technologies. Here in this video, we're gonna share a few new features that we added in Hana that will make your web productive and you will have a seamless experience. So here in the memory module, we added few submodules where you can ingest any information that you want from your drive, from your computer, or from any website in Hana's memory, and you can get info, and then you can simply ask Hana on Google Workspace by typing @Hana, give me the information of the following file, and she will give you a right answer. So now we have these few modules. I will walk you through each module one by one. So we'll start with general memory module, some module, sorry. Here we have added a search bar where you can search any memory that you want so easily. And then we will have a we have as of earlier we have a create memory cta where you can add any memory and the submit it, and the memory will be ingested, and the information will be ingested in Hana's memory. So here you can see there are different memories that we already ingested. Here we have made a slight changes in the UI where we gave a proper primary CTA and the secondary CTA. Also we added two more columns where we show information about ingestion status and the file status. Ingestion status means sometimes the file might be small or sometimes it might be huge. So when it is huge, it will take a little time to get ingested in Hana's memory. So here it will show in progress check. But once it is ingested, we will have this green ingested check. And this file status shows whether the information that we added is active, fresh, or stale. So you can update the information to find this memory that this information that has been added in Hana's memory, it is old, so you can just update the information. And as earlier, you can here see who has created it, when it was created, and when it was updated. So this was the first submodule, that is general memory. Now we will move on to a second submodule, that is Google Doc memory module. So here, as of the earlier submodule, we have a search bar, so we can easily search any memory. And here we have the same ingestion status, file status, created by, updated by, last synced at, and whether if you want to sync again the added Google Doc link. If you have made any changes in Google Doc and now you want again to Hana refresh the document information, you can just click on sync and she will refresh the information in the doc so that she always stay updated. And then we have delete cta, and you can copy the file link. So how do we add this file link in here? You can simply click on add Google Doc, and then you can copy. For example, I'm saying this copy link, and I'll just copy it here and say submit. So here you say the document has started ingesting. So you can, as I said earlier, here you can see in progress status, because the memory Google Doc link memory is getting added. So also before adding this, make sure your email ID has access to this doc. Means the same email ID that you have logged in Hana dashboard has the access to this doc, so that Hana can scan that doc. Otherwise she won't be able to give you the right information. So this was all about the second submodule, that is Google Doc memory submodule. Now we'll move on to a third submodule, Confluence memory. We are still working on it. It is taking a bit time, but soon we will come up with this, and we'll have a video where we will show you how it works. Now we'll move on to our fourth submodule, that is Recursive URL memory. What this memory module does is you can ingest any URL that you feel like Hana should remember the information of that URL. So you can just add it in the memory, and she will scan that website URL and will give you the answer whenever you ask her by typing @Hana at Google Workspace. Or you can use a real-time mode feature that we are introducing in Hana's dashboard. I will tell you more about it in our next video. So now we will continue with this, and here how you can add this URL link is simply by clicking on ingest URL, and here you can just copy any website URL. For example, I will copy this and I will paste it over here. Then we also have an option where you can ingest subpages. So if your URL has many subpages, we are providing maximum of 3 subpages that can be scanned by Hana. So you can click on this and you can click on submit. So now it is saying ingestion has started. So it will now ingest the URL in Hana's memory, and she will scan all the information, and whenever you ask Hana about any information about this website, she will give you the answer. Here also we have this sync, delete, and copy option that you can use. Now we'll move on to our fifth memory module, that is PDF memory module, where you can add any PDF from your computer in Hana's memory, and she will scan that PDF and will give you the information. So you can do this by simply dragging the file, or you can click on this and you can just copy that file in here. Like I will say, let me choose on a file, like we will give Hanabi brand guidelines. So I'll just open this, and now the process has started. It will take a little time, it is loading. Here we also have a search bar. In terms of URL, we changed the heading colors so they are more prominent and can be easily scanned. The file is big, so let it take some time. So you can see ingestion has started, and you can see in progress and files. So once it is done, it will show that it is ingested. This way you can add a PDF file in Hana's memory, and then she will have the information that you wanted to have, and will answer you whenever you ask her anything about this. So now we will move on to our last submodule, that is automatic memory. Here in this memory, what happens is Hana automatically extract any factual context from your conversation to have a seamless experience, and you she will extract all the factual context from your conversation, and then she will provide you the same answer or information that she want, maintaining the privacy. And so anywhere in the, like in different spaces you have different interactions, so she will keep in mind the factual context that you have, that you had, and now she will give the information accordingly. So also you can maintain this. These memories are easily personal customizable, that you can personalize this module, this memory module, from different from spaces. And like if you want to keep it active, or you want to delete any memory, if you don't want that this memory should be in Hana's memory, like this information should be in Hana's memory, you can simply delete all the memories from here. Or if you want that this memory should not be used in other spaces, you can control that by clicking on spaces, and here you can turn off the auto memory ingestion in this particular group, so she won't use your factual context in this spaces. Also you can turn off this auto memory module from here. From settings module, you can go to security sub module, and then you can turn off the auto memory ingestion by simply clicking on it. So this way we have provided a proper personalized experience with this module, and she will keep in track, automatically keep in track with your conversation, how you interact, or information you like to have and everything. So you always have a personalized experience with Hana. So these were all the some modules that we added in Hana in memory module, that will make your experience very positive, very productive. And another feature that we added is real-time mode, that I said earlier we will talk about it in the next video. So I hope you find this new update in Hana very useful, and I am sure you will try it after seeing this video, and I'm sure you will love it. So till then, thank you, and let us know if you need anything. You can write to us, you can contact us, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you.